In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a gift card to your account on Temu. This straightforward process will help you quickly add funds from your gift card to take advantage of discounts or offers on the platform. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to head over to the Temu website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or you can click the link provided in the description below this video. Once the web page loads, you'll see the home page showcasing various products and categories. Now, it's important to ensure that you're logged into your account. If you're not yet signed in, you can do so by clicking the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email and password, and you'll be taken to your personal dashboard once you're successfully logged in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in and on your home page, your next step is to navigate to your profile section. You can do this by clicking on the avatar icon or your name, both typically found in the top right corner of the page. As you enter your profile, you'll come across a variety of tabs and options. Among those, you should spot the Coupons and Offers section. Click on that and it will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage your gift cards, coupon codes, and other promotional offers. Here is where the magic happens. You should see a field that allows you to input your gift card code. Make sure you have your gift card handy. Carefully type the code into the provided field. Double check to ensure there are no typos or missed characters, as this can prevent the code from applying correctly. Once you've entered the code, a button labeled Apply should be visible just below the input field. Go ahead and click that button. The system will verify the code, and if everything is correct, you'll see a notification confirming that the gift card has been applied to your account successfully. The balance should update immediately, and any applicable discounts or offers will become available for you to use. And that's it. You have successfully applied your gift card on Temu. From here, you're all set to explore, shop, and perhaps discover some fantastic deals with your newly applied funds. Remember, whenever you receive a new gift card or promotional code, you can follow these same steps to add them to your account. Thank you for watching this guide on applying a gift card on Temu. We hope you found the process as easy and efficient as we designed it to be. Happy shopping, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.